Hey guys, I'm back with the next test subject in the Floetrol cell activator experiments. In this series, I've been testing additives mixed in Floetrol-based acrylic pours to see what we can use to create cells. Today I'm testing Blaster Industrial Strength Silicone Lubricant Spray. If you're new to this series, I'll leave a link to the playlist in the description if you want to check out the previous experiments. The Blaster Silicone Spray is in a can that comes with a straw attachment. Since I only wanted to use 2 drops of it, I attached the straw and then sprayed some into a cup. From there, I used a dropper to add it to the paint. As you'll see, the 2 drops were more than enough to make the cells go nuts. Just a reminder, I'm using a mix of about 90% Floetrol and 10% GAC 800 for my pouring medium. My colors are Liquitex Basics in Cadmium Yellow Light Hue, Pyrrole Red, and Ultramarine Blue. I also have Amsterdam Titanium White for the base. If you like highly active cells, this is one for you to try. The cells started forming as soon as they hit the canvas. This silicone oil seems highly reactive to the heat gun as well. I think the Blaster silicone spray will be a good one to try out in a swipe. Make sure you stick around to the end to see the dry results from this cell activator. I really liked this one. In the tire shine in the Rain-X glass, the white had a grainy look to it over certain areas. The Blaster silicone has a few spots that did the same thing, but it isn't quite as obvious as the others. In the next video, I'm going to be testing another Blaster spray, and the results are wildly different. Okay guys, that's it from me. If you have any questions about any of the additives we've covered so far, or if you just want to say hi, leave me a comment below. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of this pour. I'll see you next time. Bye.